The lowland forest of Cuba is the land of the red crab. The females need to find a male, head to the sea, and lay their eggs. And to do that, they must start an epic 6-mile journey. Around 10 million crabs are on the march. Only one thing stops them. The intense heat of the midday sun can bake a crab to death. So every traveler needs to find shade fast. But as the day cools off, a female crab's mind turns to more romantic matters. And here, at the edge of the forest, males have been waiting for this very moment. In a tight embrace, they mate. Now, she retreats into his burrow to let her brood develop. 14 days later, she resumes her journey. Now, with 80,000 eggs cradled under her shell. The coastal highway. Out here, a crab must be on her toes. Giants. And nowadays, they're frighteningly quick. Look out! A crab can see danger coming, but for many, that's just not enough. That was close. After all that, the warm Caribbean Sea awaits. With a little shimmy, finally, she releases her precious cargo of eggs into the sea. And with her job done, now she can return to the safety of her forest home.